Hello everyone, now we got 3 winners for last giveaway hobo bag. Please check see if you're the lucky one. For this video, my friend loved her jacket, but she want me to make it more interesting. Let's have some fun. I have this beautiful piece of material. I want to use it decorating her jacket for her. I really like this part of the design, so I just cut it off and we'll design what to do later on. After cut it off, I'm gonna iron the piece interfacing. Then I will cut the pattern off, tracing along the edge of the design and cut to the part that I like. You don't have to design which part I'm going to use first. You can just cut off everything, and then later on you can always design which part that you like the best. And you have fun doing it. You can use the design on the jacket, or on the purse, or on the skirt, or anything else you think will fit. You can add this on your own jacket, your kid's jacket, or your friend's jacket. Make life more interesting. Now we got all design. You can design this way or just place it around and see which way that you prefer. Or you can do it this way as well. Or you can turn this upside down and you'll have different design. Or you can try this way. Or that way. Or this way. This is the way I'm gonna do it on my friend's jacket. I'm using the double stick tape to hold the pattern in place for easy sewing. I'm gonna place these leaves in here, but you can put it a little higher or there. It's up to you. Here we go, ready to sew. You don't need a fancy sewing machine for it. All you need is a regular simple zigzag stitch and pick the right color thread, and then just go over the edge of the design and sew all the way around. I appreciate all your support. If you'd like to watch my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. I would like to make more sewing projects. This side is complete. Now we got a nice design on the jacket. Now I'm going to use the exact same technique to sew on other side of the jacket. And we start with the leaves first because it go underneath the flower. And then we sew all the way along the edge and sew all the way around the whole design. Now we got our friend a unique, beautiful jacket, and she love it. Please check the link here for more sewing projects. I will see you all next time.